Marami ang kikiligin sa regalo ng Liz Ken Love Team ngayong Valentine's Day. Nilinaw naman ni Liza Soberano ang kanyang papel sa bagong kilig serye. Nagpapatrol MJ Felipe.
Sa pictorial pa lang, ramdam na ang kilig kina Liza Soberano at Enrique Hill sa kanilang pagbabalik teleserye sa Dolce Amore. Kwento ni Enrique, kinakabahan siya sa follow-up TV project nila ni Liza.
It's been a while since some of us come sa TV together. I just wanted to be as enjoyable and as loved as forever.
Agad namang nilinaw ni Liza ang kanyang role sa proyekto dahil maraming nag-aakala na isa siyang prinsesa.
Princess-like because she comes from a glamorous family and everything, but not a princess. Because it's her favorite book.
Non-stop naman ang tuksuhan kay Matteo Gudicelli na inaming naiinggit sa sweetness ng Liz Ken sa set.
We drove top down around Rome, Liza and I. We ate Italian food, Liza and I. And we went shopping, Liza and I. And we had breakfast together, Liza and I. But she was FaceTiming someone all the time.
Makakasama rin nila sina Sunshine Cruz, Rio Locsin, Bobon Ortiz, Andrew E. at marami pang iba.
I'm sorry, but I'm lost.
Mapapanood ang Dolce Amore sa February 15 sa Primetime Bida. MJ Felipe, ABS-CBN News. Bye.